MTC-140A temperature calibrator for hot and cold. Okay, we explained what is the uses, how accurate is your temperature calibrator, what is the difference to the reference, and then the set point of the unit, and then the accessories. First, what is temperature calibrator? Temperature calibrator is to calibrate the temperature transmitters, temperature switch, analog and digital temperature gauge. Okay. At this box there is a manual and the calibration certificate. Okay. This is the accessories. I'll show you this one. This is the clip to remove this pocket. This is the pocket. This is a tools for removing this pocket. As you can see, the pocket side, it has a different hole and sizes. That is for the different sizes of sensing tube. This is the cover. This is the cover. The cover for the sensing tube. Example, you can choose this one. This is our reference thermometer. This is a reference thermometer. This one. The use of reference thermometer is to compare the reading output of this temperature calibrator. Okay, you can select what is the correct size. This is the switch. Also, it has a selection for voltage at the top of the switch. To set up and down, and then enter. Up, example, you can choose the set point. Then you can lower and then enter. As you can see, this temperature calibrator is very nice to use because it's easily and adapt the set point. Okay, also you can choose the unit, Fahrenheit, escape, and the escape menu is the setup and the time. You can choose Fahrenheit or Celsius. We put it back to Celsius and enter, and then escape. Okay, now it's the unit is Celsius. Okay, and then we do maximum. The maximum of this calibrator is only 140 Celsius. We go to the minimum. As you can see, right now it's 20, almost accurate. Okay, this temperature calibrator is for low, what you call this is a low range, because it's only cover maximum 140. But we have another temperature calibrator that calibrates the exhaust of the engine, but right now this is good for a lower range temperature, because the tolerance is quite small and the temperature reading and the reference is almost the same. We set to 6 Celsius. As you can see, the reaction of this temperature calibrator is very fast, but we need to wait 5 minutes to stable this temperature calibrator with respect to your set point. This is as per manual, but as you can see, the reading of the temperature calibrator compared to the reference is almost the same. We will try lower and lower, so that lower range, so that we can see the difference. This is the sticker for the calibration sticker. You know the expired date for the calibration, next calibration. Okay. This calibrator has a capable for negative temperature. This is calibrator for cold and hot temperature. As you can see, we can do negative calibration. The minimum is -40, and the maximum is positive 140. We'll try lower. We'll try lower than 18 if this calibrator can can reach to negative. I observed that this calibrator is very fast, or I mean the reaction of this calibrator is very fast. Right now the temperature is almost zero. Means this temperature is capable with a lower range, about negative. The reference reading is almost the same. Negative 1.456. Okay, almost negative 2. The temperature is almost -4, and at the reference is almost -3. It's good. Right now -6.4 Celsius. Okay, next -14.9. I notice almost the same. Right now it's -13. I notice if you set to the lower range, the reaction of this temperature calibrator is slow. It means this temperature need to be stable. Okay, right now I set to -16. I'll check the range, what you call this, the reference. As you can see, starts to rise up again. I will put it up because the lower range I cannot see with this reference. Okay, I will pull it up a little bit. Okay, -16, -16 Celsius. I will observe first this temperature, reference temperature thermometer will match to our set point. Okay, almost. Right now it's -14. That's a difference about -2. Okay, oops, it 16, almost 16, -16. Okay, as you can see, set point -16. The reference is almost -16, 15.5 or 16, almost 16. Okay, lower range is quite good. As you can see, 15, 16, 15.5, -15.5. It's quite good, almost good. Okay, during when I pull this thermometer, it's starting to rise up again. Right now I will increase to 0. The set point is 0. You will see. starts to heat up, the reference and the set point is almost the same. Cannot focus this temperature thermometer. Almost zero. I will try to increase about 10 degrees Celsius, then check the reference. .7. Okay, see the reaction for this one. I'll check this reference, almost 10. As you can see, I do increment about 10 degrees per set point to avoid damage for our temperature calibrator, with an interval of 5 minutes until 60 and more. This is also the procedure when I'm setting this 95 degrees, increment by 10 until reaches 95. Almost 95, and then it will give a 5 minutes to stable. Almost, it has a difference. Right now we can see the difference in the set point compared to reference. Okay, as you can see, there is a 5 minutes countdown to stable this temperature calibrator. But right now the reading is 92, difference about 3. Okay, 4 minutes, and then running to 3, 2, after that 2, 1. The reading is almost the same. Okay, this has a check that is stable. Okay, try this one, and then we check the reference so that we know what is the difference for this one. Oh, 91, 91 for this one. We all know we have a difference about 4 to 3 degrees in our higher range, but in the lower range it's almost the same. Okay, 95 is for the fresh water shutdown for the generator. If you like this video, click like, share, and subscribe. Then hit the bell button for more updates. Thank you very much.